How to set up Shopify payments. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up Shopify payments. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I'm over here on shopify.com. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply just sign up on this website, and I'm going to show you how it looks like, right? So I'm going to be using a temporary email address to sign up, and then I'm just simply going to click on get started and then just set up my password and click on create your account. Now over here, all you have to do is, are you already selling? A couple of questions that you could answer if you want, or you could just simply skip. Just simply gonna skip now and just move on. So once you've created an account, this is how it looks like, right? So over here, you're just simply gonna go ahead and add your product. Customized themes are gonna be over here. You can add some pages, organize navigation, and you can add your domain over here. And on the left side, you're gonna have all of your other options such as orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, and discounts as well. But what you're going to do is, you want to set up your payments system. So for that, what you're going to do is just simply come into settings over here, and you gotta simply click on the payments option right over here. And over here, you will have three options. So you have payment providers, you have support and payment methods, you have manual payment method, right? So you can choose whichever one you want. So in payment providers, if you choose a provider over here, we'll see you have a bunch of different options to choose from. And over here, if you have supported payment methods, you can click on add over here, and you can add your payment providers that are available in your region or country. And then you have your manual payment methods. So over here, you will have basically bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. Whatever method you choose, it all depends on you, right? So for manual payment methods, all you got to do is just simply choose whichever one you want, such as a bank deposit. Then over here, you got to enter in your additional informations or details that displays to customers what they're choosing a payment method, and display to a customer after they placed in order with the payment method. So over here, add in your payment instructions, then you click on activate bank deposit. All right, and then it will be deposited once you've entered in your details of your own bank, so that people can send you cash directly to your bank. Or if you want a cash on delivery, just simply click over here, and then over here you can add your additional instructions and add, like, enter in your address over here to activate cash on delivery. And once you've done that, people will just choose that option, and once they've had their product, they can deliver you the money. So that's one of the ways, which is pretty easy, nothing too crazy. But if you want to have like an automatic payment system, then for that you gotta enter in over here supported payment methods. But if none of them is available to you, what you can do is you can choose the payment providers at the top. So simply click on choose payment provider, and over here you will have a bunch of different options. So choose the one that is supported in your country. So over here you will see you will have a bunch of different options that are available within your country. So you have CyberSource, ePay, eWay Rapid, you have a bunch of different other ones. But since many of them aren't available in my country, I'm just simply going to choose the one that are, which are at the top right here. So to checkout account is available to me. Now over here, you can see we have Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB, and Diners Club. So we just simply click on to checkouts account. And over here basically shows us how we can create a choose checkout account by simply following these instructions. So there are like 10 instructions for us to choose. First, we have to create a two checkouts account. We have to log in, access the integration and webhook, and then we have to add in some of the information that we're going to get from our two checkout accounts over here, such as a merchant code and a secret code. And then down below, we will have a bunch of different options that we want. So we can choose which card we want. If you don't want a Diners Club, you can uncheck the box. If you don't want a Discovery or JCB, just uncheck them, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to open up our two checkouts over here onto another tab, and then over here we're going to simply sign up. So to sign up, all we have to do is click on sign up for free. It's completely free, as you can see over here, and just simply enter in your first name, your last name, your business email, and all of that. So over here I'm going to copy my email address. So over here I'm going to copy the domain because that is required, and then enter in your email address. Again, I'm going to use my temporary email address, and then over here enter in your password. And once you've entered in your password, enter in the website, which is this one right here. I'll enter in my website, and then I'm going to choose the country. And once you've done that, just simply click on get started. Now over here, create a to checkout account. Well, you've done that. So over here, what type of products do you want to sell with to checkout account? Well, it's pretty simple. You have digital products, online services, retail or physical products, offline services, or others. Since we are selling, clothes and all of that. We're going to be choosing retail, and then we're going to click on create account. All right, thank you for creating a two checkouts account. Now we just simply log in, and over here, as you can see, welcome, we have created our account and we are good to go. And then down below you will have all of your details. Now over here, this is just a sample data, so you don't have to worry about this is not a real data, but it's just simply showing you how it looks like, right? So over here you will get all of your data, your subscriptions, your sales overview, your earnings, net sales, total sales, refund rate, and recharge back, and all of that. So basically we have to activate our account before we start selling online with two checkouts. So over here, if you want to start activations, you gotta do all of that. So first things first is you gotta select the pricing plan, which is to sell, and you have to verify what you will be setting with their policy. Then they have to check your business type and residence address and all the data that will be reviewed manually. All right, so you click on next. Then you enter in your company name, your business partnership, your city, your country, and all of that. So over here, this is my country name, and once I've done that, I'll click on next and move on. Then we have our company registration ID, tax registration number, annual online transaction, annual online transacted volumes. We have average order value and all of that. We have to enter in all of these things, then click on next. Now, since I don't have a registered ID, I don't have my business registered, so I can't really move forward with this, but pretty much just simply enter in all of these details. It is a little lengthy process, right? That's why I said that, it's better to move on with something else, but this is pretty much it. So you got to enter in your stakeholders over here. You got to enter in your about product. You got to enter in your account settings, document summaries, and all of that. And once you've done that, you are good to go. But for now, since I don't have all this information on hand, I'll just simply save this for later. But you understand what you're going to need to do, right? So once you've done that, we can move on. So we're going to go back to our account. So over here, what it does is it tells us number 3. So let's just assume that we have logged in and activated our account, right? So we'll move on with step number 3, which is to access the integrations. Then underneath integrations, we're going to go to webhooks and API section in cPanel. And then underneath the API sections, copy the merchant code and paste it in the merchant code file, field on this page over here. So we're going to go into integrations and webhooks and API over here on the left side. And then down below, we're going to have our merchant code. So we're going to copy this merchant code. We're going to paste it over here. Next step is to generate a new INS secret word and paste it in the secret word section. So for that, we're going to go back over here, scroll down, and this is the INS secret word. Over here, we're going to click on generate, copy that, and then come back over here and paste it right here. And then we have to click on save settings, and we're going to click on, so we're going to save settings by coming over here, scrolling down, and you will see you have your updates and all of that, right? So over here, we're going to leave these two blank because it doesn't access us or tells us. So we're going to click on update right here. And as you can see, changes saved. We are good to go. Then what we need to do is in the redirect URL section, check enable to return afterwards. So this is the redirect. We're going to enable it and we're going to update it as well. We're going to leave it blank because it tells us to leave it blank over here. As you can see, leave it blank. Shopify will provide the details for them. And then for return method, select header redirect. So over here, this is the header redirect option. And over here, we're going to leave that blank. And then we just simply click on update. And yeah, we're good to go. And then we just simply click on save settings, which we have done. And then you are good to go. Then you just simply activate your choose checkout option over here. And then you test it out to see if it works. So pretty much that's it. But as I said before, if you don't like that option, you could go with other ones as well. And over here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different options such as AirPay and checkout.com. You have PaySafe, you have PayU Money, and you have other ones as well, Saga Pay, and many, many more. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.